Before you drop another $15.30 on an engine oil additive, you need to hear this. Some of the biggest names on the shelf have been linked to clogged passages, ruined bearings, and even turning your oil into something corrosive. Yet people still pour them in by the millions. In this video, I'm breaking down the 7 additives mechanics quietly avoid, the 13 that actually deliver results, and stick around to the end because I'm going to show you one simple symbol on your oil bottle that tells you whether your engine is truly protected or quietly at risk. Number 7. Seafoam Motor Treatment. Seafoam is a household name, but using it straight in your crankcase is a gamble most engines don't need. It's a powerful solvent-based cleaner, not a lubricant. When you add it, it aggressively dissolves sludge and varnish. Sounds great until those chunks break free all at once in a high-mileage engine. Suddenly you've got debris floating through tight oil galleries and the pickup screen. That leads to oil starvation, scored bearings, and in bad cases, a totaled engine. On top of that, seafoam thins your oil temporarily, cutting film strength right when you need it most. If you ever use it. Number 6. Gunk Motor Flush. This stuff does exactly what the label promises, and that's exactly why it's dangerous. It uses strong petroleum solvents to blast away years of buildup. You pour it in, idle for a few minutes, and drain. In neglected engines, that thick sludge has been acting like a fragile glue holding things together. Dissolve it too fast and big pieces break loose, clogging passages and starving the pump. Mechanics have seen oil pressure drop to zero, bearings flake apart, and even oil pump drives shear like soft metal. Older engines also rely on some carbon on the cylinder walls for ring sealing. Number 5. SDP Oil Treatment. That classic blue bottle is basically a thick polymer viscosity improver with some zinc. The FTC has gone after them multiple times over the decades for overstated claims about reducing wear. Here's the practical problem: one bottle can push a 5W30 into 15W40 territory or thicker. Modern engines with tight clearances and variable valve timing hate extra thickness. Number 4. Motor Honey. This one is the ultimate band-aid. It's extremely thick and designed to quiet noisy engines and mask consumption. It doesn't fix worn rings or leaking seals, it just hides the symptoms. In cold weather, it can turn almost solid, making the oil pump struggle on startup. That leads to dry starts and accelerated wear. Over time, the heavy thickeners can promote sludge, foam under heat, and restrict filters and passages. Number 3. Prolong Engine Treatment. The patent tells the real story. This product is built around chlorinated paraffin, roughly half the formula. These compounds work great in industrial metal cutting, but inside a hot engine they can break down into hydrochloric acid. Even with neutralizers added, the chemistry still risks corrosion on steel surfaces. The FTC has challenged their wear reduction and engine life claims. Bottom line, when something sounds too good and relies on extreme pressure chemistry meant for machine shops, walk away. Number 2. ZMAX Engine Treatment. The FTC sued over this one too. Lab tests showed oil treated with ZMAX caused more than double the bearing corrosion compared to straight oil. The company was accused of editing test reports to hide the bad results and then using those altered numbers in marketing. Independent analysis found their additives were essentially tinted mineral oil with little active chemistry. Number 1. Slick 50. The most notorious additive of all time, and for good reason. Its key ingredient is PTFE, better known as Teflon. DuPont themselves have said PTFE isn't suitable or safe in engine oil. The particles don't bond well to metal under normal running conditions. Instead, they clump, get caught in filters, reduce flow, and under heat can settle into varnish and gummy deposits. Modern oils already have excellent anti-wear chemistry, adding this just disrupts it. Now let's flip the script completely. Here are 13 additives that actually deliver real results. Number 13. Arkel AR9100. This is a targeted hero for a very specific problem: stiction in Ford Powerstroke 6L and 7.3L injectors. Carbon and oil residue gum up the spool valves, causing hard starts, rough idle, and lost power. AR9100 uses complex esters to dissolve that buildup and then forms a protective nanoborate film. Owners often notice smoother running and better fuel economy within a couple hundred miles. If you own one of those diesels, this is must-have maintenance. For most gas engines, you can pass. Number 12. Valvoline High Mileage Engine Oil Treatment. This isn't a typical additive, it's a complete high-mileage formula with max-life technology. Special seal conditioners soften and swell aged rubber to reduce leaks and consumption. It also fights wear, friction, heat, and deposits with strong detergents and anti-wear additives. Mechanics see real results: slower leaks and less oil burning in engines over 75,000 miles. Number 11. BG-MOA. One of the few additives that actually strengthens your oil's own chemistry. Independent virgin oil analysis shows extremely high levels of calcium, zinc, and phosphorus, plus a sky-high total base number over 32. That means serious acid neutralization. Lab engine tests show dramatically less viscosity increase and better protection over long intervals. Great safety net if you extend drains or run budget oil, but probably unnecessary with top. Number 10. Liqui Moly Mo S2 Anti-Friction. This uses molybdenum disulfide to create a high-pressure solid lubricant film on metal surfaces. The particles are tiny enough not to clog filters or passages. Decades of use in European taxi fleets back it up, over 50% wear reduction in testing. Engines run quieter, cold starts improve, and many drivers see a measurable fuel economy bump. Safe for cats and turbos, and the benefit carries over multiple changes, perfect for older or high-mileage engines. Number 9. ZDD Plus. Straightforward and honest. It restores the zinc and phosphorus levels that emissions regulations stripped from modern oils. For pre-1990s engines or any flat tappet cam, this protection is critical. It forms a sacrificial film on cams and lifters under extreme pressure. 1/4 Oz bottle in 5 quarts gets you the right concentration. Use only in classic engines. Number 8. Lucas TB Zinc Plus. Same zinc restoration goal as ZDD Plus, but smarter chemistry. Lucas adds calcium-based detergents to keep the oil from turning acidic. You get strong flat tappet protection without the extra risk to bearings. Ideal for classics, race engines during break-in or high-performance builds. Number 7. CompCam's Break-In Oil Additive. The first 20–30 minutes of a fresh engine's life are the most dangerous. Modern off-the-shelf oils don't have enough ZDDP for flat tappet cams during break-in. Comp's additive delivers high zinc phosphorus plus moly and detergents, roughly 1,800–2,200 ppm zinc. Use it for that critical initial run, then switch to proper high zinc oil. Number 6. Redline Break-In Oil Additive. Similar high zinc phosphorus punch, 2,200 plus ppm, but formulated for both break-in and ongoing use. Polyol ester base gives better stability with fuel dilution. Versatile enough for conventional or synthetic oils and helps ring seat while protecting other components. A solid choice for performance and classic engine owners. Number 5. Hotshot's Secret Stiction Eliminator. Sticky friction is that gummy oxidized residue that builds on injectors, rings, and turbos. This ester-based cleaner dissolves it gently over the full oil interval instead of blasting it loose. Third-party testing shows up to 62% less wear, and it's famous for reviving failing 6L73L injectors. Smoother starts, quieter running. Number 4. Motor Coat. This synthetic lubricant bonds directly to metal rather than staying in the oil. Lab tests, including Project Farm, show excellent bearing protection and friction reduction, sometimes beating big-name competitors. One treatment lasts multiple oil changes. Users notice lower oil temps, quieter engines, and slight economy gains. No PTFE or moly, safe for gas and diesel, but skip it during new vehicle warranty. Number 3. At 205 Reseal. Mechanics' favorite for actual leak repair. This plasticizer rejuvenates hardened rubber seals and gaskets instead of just thickening the oil. It works in engine oil, transmission fluid, power steering, and more. Real-world stories include stopping major rear main leaks that mechanics quoted thousands to fix. Note. Number 2. Liqui Moly Sierra Tech. Microceramic particles smaller than zero point 0.5 microns fill surface irregularities and create a protective layer that handles temperatures up to 1,200 degrees C. One bottle treats 5 liters and lasts up to 30,000 miles. Owners report smoother operation, quieter idle, and sometimes 10% better fuel economy. Excellent for high-stress engines. Number 1. Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer. For older, high-mileage, or worn engines, this 100% petroleum stabilizer still earns its reputation. It increases lubricity, reduces consumption, controls noise, and lowers operating temperatures. Lucas is transparent. The classic blue bottle is best for 10W40/20W50 applications in tired engines. They make lighter synthetic versions for newer vehicles. Used correctly, it delivers exactly what it promises. Many high-mileage trucks and cars run cleaner and quieter with it. Now here's the one mark on your oil bottle that tells you if your engine is safe. Flip to the front label and look for the API Starburst symbol. That certification means the oil meets the latest industry standards, including LSPI protection for modern turbo direct injection engines. No starburst? Walk away. That oil hasn't been proven to protect against the problems that destroy today's engines. It's that straightforward. One last question I get all the time. What's the fastest way to kill an engine right after an oil change? I covered the surprising answer in detail in this video right here. If this helped you avoid an expensive mistake, smash that like button, subscribe for more no BS mechanical truth, and share it with anyone still buying mystery bottles. Your engine will thank you. I'll see you in the next one.